Hello everyone, this is Rizb the Blade again, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how is my setup for controls for flying heavy bombers. This is very important because basically your setup needs to be set like if you're flying some first-person shooter game. Maybe some guys has also different setups for this, but this is actually the most efficient way to set up bomber if you're gonna fly it like I fly it. So first most important thing in controls is to set up your directional keys, because you need to be able to fly a plane heavy bomber with keyboard and with mouse, but also you need to be able direction your gunners with mouse when you change the camera in gunner view mode. So the best thing to set up is to set it up with the keys, these keys here on the keyboard. So for directional is W, S, A and D, and for rudder Q and E. So you have all buttons very close to each other, and this is basically the best thing to set up. My throttle is normally on the mouse, on the wheel mouse, and when I need to, like, I don't know, some get on some target to shoot, so I can just press the wheel wheel button inside, and he's gonna be selected when you're in the battle. So this is how I am setting up this for selecting targets. Next key that is important, I think it's not here. You don't have to toggle gunners. Actually, not key, is this sensitivity for the gunners. A lot of people think that if you have this sensitivity for turning your view very high, so you're gonna be fast, that actually this is a great thing, where this is very wrong, because fighters, only where they're basically so near that they can hit you, like ram you, can change direction so fast. So that means that basically the best setup is the lowest possible for gunner view mode, or maybe if this all aim control sensitivity or aim sensitivity are connected with the gunner view, to set it up the lowest the possible. Because with this you get that smoothness of moving, and you need to then move more mouse when you want to target something than you actually supposed to. So you're much more moving your mouse to but your aim is not moving so fast. So this is very important to set up like this, and you're gonna have very much better aiming when you when your gunner view sensitivity is on lower bars. So maybe somebody is gonna aim better like with half of this, but if you have full up, your view is just turning very fast, and this is only just good maybe for looking, but not for aiming. So this is very important thing to set up the lowest as possible. Some other view controls, zoom camera I also have on my right mouse button. So it's for left I have guns, and I have set all guns on my left key button. But when I'm using fighters, I always shoot with both type of ammunition, so I don't care about switching. So it can be all on one, and for gunners it's same thing, it's gonna be on war button or two, it's always gonna shoot the same. Dropping ball normally spacebar, and Okay, reload guns, you don't need that for realistic. Yeah, this is basically that for these basic controls. All this is default. Maybe zoom camera isn't, like I said, I have it on the right mouse button. Camera, mouse look, speed. Yeah, this is also the things that I don't have so much up. Just because of that reason that your aiming is gonna be more smooth with this. So do not fill that up. Maybe for flying fighters somebody is preferring this more up, but I don't think it's good for bombers. Yeah, so what we have here, yeah, this is also basically default stuff. It's not so important. This is your preference, or like you want to do it. Like I said, only thing is important that be able to fly the plane with keyboard and with the mouse in the same time. And when you're in gunner view, you fly a plane with the keyboard and aiming with the mouse. That's the most important thing. So this is it about controls. What you actually need to know, that is basic. So just remember that it needs to be set up like this, and this sensitivity needs to be way down, and you need to try to train with this setup to see what's the difference and how you can aim this setup. So yeah, this is it for this video tutorial. It's only basic things, so now I can actually make video about bombing, how to manage the gunners and aim with them and shoot and everything other stuff. So these three videos before this one, that's 3 rules videos, and this controller setup video, they're important, that you need to watch and see it before you're gonna see everything else. So try to do all this stuff like I say, and then you can watch other videos and see for yourself how is look like when you're very successful with the bombers, heavy bombers in this game. Yeah, this is all for now. I salute you and we see you in the sky. Bye bye.